2005 National Electrical Code, Section 600.2a, requires all power to be disconnected simultaneously for branch circuits supplying pre-wired furniture partitions, specifically those using an 8-wire system. Using 4 breakers with tie handles across them is generally prohibited for this application because the tie handles are not listed for such use. Tie handles are typically designed for use only on circuit breakers of the same type and amperage rating. Using them on different types or amperage ratings can create a safety hazard, as it may not guarantee simultaneous disconnection under all fault conditions. All electrical devices must be listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, or Intertek, or et al. To ensure they meet safety standards. Devices that are not listed for a specific application should not be used, as the safety and performance cannot be guaranteed. To install 8-wire furniture safely and in compliance with the National Electrical Code, you must use listed devices designed for the specific application. This typically involves using a single circuit breaker with a multi-wire branch circuit arrangement. Here's a general outline of the process. Firstly, install a circuit breaker with a multi-wire rating. Secondly, connect the black and red wires to the breaker terminals. Thirdly, connect the white and green wires to the neutral and ground bus bars respectively. Fourthly, extend the black and red conductors to the furniture partition. Fifthly, connect the black conductors to the hot terminals of the outlets. Sixthly, connect the red conductors to the switch terminals of the outlets. Seventhly, connect the white conductors to the neutral terminals. Finally, connect the green conductors to the grounding terminals. Using tie handles across circuit breakers of different types or amperage ratings is not permitted for pre-wired furniture partitions. This is because it violates the National Electrical Code requirement for simultaneous disconnection. Moreover, it may pose a safety hazard if the breakers do not trip simultaneously under fault conditions. To install 8-wire furniture safely and in compliance with the code, you must use listed devices designed for this specific application, such as a circuit breaker with a multi-wire branch circuit arrangement. This ensures that the power can be safely and reliably disconnected in case of a fault. When dealing with electrical installations, always refer to the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and consult with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Proper installation and adherence to safety standards are critical to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safe operation of electrical systems.